What's the name of this thing? How do you say nose in Spanish?
Sugar Astronaut presents Spanish Made Easy.
Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today we'll learn body parts in Spanish, specifically this part of the body. But before, don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, let's get started. Okay, the first word that we're gonna learn is cabeza. Cabeza. This means head. So you could say la cabeza me duele. La cabeza me duele. The next word is cara. Cara. This means face. One example of how to use this word is tu cara es bonita. Tu cara es bonita. The next word is cabello. Cabello. Do you know what this means? This means hair. Another way to say cabello is pelo. Pelo. Pelo also refers to any body hair. Cabello is mostly used to refer to your hair as one single thing, just hair. Cabello. So you could say, tu cabello es largo. Tu cabello es largo. The next word is oreja. Oreja. That's the singular form. The plural form is orejas. Orejas. Oreja means ear. And orejas means ears. Oreja is to refer to the external part of your ear. You might also hear oído. Oído. This is to refer more like to the internal part of your ear. So you could say, ¿qué orejas tan bonitas? ¿Qué orejas tan bonitas? Mis oídos me duelen. Mis oídos me duelen. The next word is frente. Frente. This means forehead. One example could be, mi frente está sudando. Mi frente está sudando. Let's learn another word. Ojo. Ojo. This means eye. The plural form is ojos. Ojos. That means eyes. One example could be, los ojos cafés son lindos. Los ojos cafés son lindos. The next word is ceja. Ceja. This means eyebrow. The plural form is cejas. Cejas. That means eyebrows. You can use this word in this way. Mis cejas son anchas. Mis cejas son anchas. The next word is pestañas. Pestañas. This means eyelashes. Example. Rosa tiene las pestañas muy largas. Rosa tiene las pestañas muy largas. The next word is párpado. Párpado. This means eyelid. The plural form is párpados. Párpados. This means eyelids. Example. Ponte delineador en los párpados. Ponte delineador en los párpados. The next word is mejilla. Mejilla or cachete. Cachete. This means cheek. The plural form is mejillas, mejillas, or cachetes. Cachetes. This means cheeks. For example, mis mejillas están rojas. Mis mejillas están rojas. Or, mis cachetes están rojos. Mis cachetes están rojos. The next word is boca. Boca. This means mouth. For example, se dieron un beso en la boca. Se dieron un beso en la boca. The next word is labios or labio. Labio means lip and labios means lips. For example, tienes unos labios muy bonitos. Tienes unos labios muy bonitos. The next word is diente. Diente. This means tooth. The plural form is dientes. Dientes. This means teeth. For example, tus dientes son muy blancos. Tus dientes son muy blancos. Now, the next word is lengua. Lengua. Probably you heard this before. This means tongue. For example, no me enseñes la lengua. No me enseñes la lengua. The next word is nariz. Nariz. This means nose. For example, tengo un arete en la nariz. Tengo un arete en la nariz. The next word is barbilla, barbilla, or mentón. Mentón. This means chin. For example, mira ese hombre, qué barbilla tiene. Mira ese hombre, qué barbilla tiene. Or, mira ese hombre, qué mentón tiene. Mira ese hombre, qué mentón tiene. The next word is barba. Barba. This means beard. For example, ese hombre tiene la barba muy larga. Ese hombre tiene la barba muy larga. Now, the next word is bigote. Bigote. This means mustache. For example, a Pedro no le crece el bigote. A Pedro no le crece el bigote. The last word is cuello. Cuello. This means neck. For example, voy a ponerme una bufanda en el cuello. Voy a ponerme una bufanda en el cuello. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you liked this video. I already have a few videos about body parts in Spanish, but I think we needed to learn more vocabulary. I think this is really helpful to learn, so I just wanted to do another video with more vocabulary. Leave me any comments down below if you have any questions or comments about this lesson. I always like to read your comments. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. I'm on Facebook, Google+, Twitter, Instagram, Periscope, Snapchat. All the links are in the video description. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Also by visiting my Patreon page. There are different perks when donating. Click on the Patreon logo on the screen for more information. Also, I'm leaving a link to that same page in the video description down below. Thank you for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!